Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I have a very much interesting video for you guys. In this video I will talk about a very great software, and the name of the software is Noisetorch. It is a real-time noise cancelling software from your recorded audio from your microphone. Basically, when you are streaming a game or you are recording a video and there are much of noise in your vicinity, so it can easily cancel those noise and you can record the pure audio with very much good quality, of course. So in this video I will talk about that how you can use Noisetorch in the Linux system, because Noisetorch is only available in Linux system with full freedom, okay, so without any restrictions. But no software is available like this, that means free, in the Windows systems or in the Windows OS. So watch this video very carefully, because this video will be very much useful to you. And before doing that, you just do one thing: hit the like button of this video, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I will upload a new video. Okay, so without further delay, let's jump into our main topic. First of all, I show you guys that how you can download and install this Noisetorch. So you can see this is the GitHub page, okay, and the link I will put in the description below. So this is the GitHub page. You can see Noisetorch NG. This is the noise suppression application for pulse audio or pipewire, and you can see this is the screenshot. And well, now first of all I have to download. So you can see this is the download link, the releases. So I'm just opening up. Okay, so this is the latest version 0.12.2, and here are the files. So this is this star file I have to download, so just click here and you can see this is downloading. So very small software but yet very powerful. Okay, so you can see this is all downloaded, and I'm going to here, and you can see here this is the downloaded file, tar file. And now you can see the installation instructions. So first of all, unpack this. Okay, so basically I have to copy this command. Just copy here. Okay, you can see the tar command is here, and I'm opening up. And so this is the Noisetorch and I am opening it in terminal. All right, and then I paste the command, hit enter. So this will unpack the application icon and the desktop entry to the correct places. And now to update the icon, if you are using the GNOME desktop environment, so you can execute this command. If you are using some other operating system, you can just log out and log in. So since I am using the GNOME desktop, because this is my POP OS. So this is the second command, and now give it to the required permission. Okay, so the third command you have to copy and then paste it, and you have to give the password, administrative password. All right, so we have done. Close the terminal. And if you still face some problems, so you can try it out these things. Now let's see that it is installed or not. So this is, you can see, and here is the Noisetorch. You can see, right? You can also search. All right, so you can see this is the Noisetorch. So the installation process is really simple, not very hard. Now I am showing you guys that how you can use the Noisetorch. So just go to Noisetorch, or you can search also. So this is the Noisetorch interface, you can see, and basically here you can see all the microphones. Okay, so now these two are my microphones. So number one is my inbuilt microphone of the laptop, second one is my external microphone. Okay, so basically I'm just using this. Okay, so my Red Gear Shadow works for that, and load Noisetorch. Okay, now it is active, and you can see 70% I have given Okay, the effect, it is, I think, well enough, because if you give a much higher value, so maybe your starting and ending speech may be cut down. Okay, so 70% I think is enough, and if you want a low noise cancellation, you can just go to 50% of that. Okay, so let's test it with my external microphone. This is the Red Gear Shadowbox microphone. Okay, so first sound you have to listen. This is the trimmer. Okay, I'm just turning it on. Okay, now it is turned on and you can able to hear the sound, right? All okay? Okay, so turn it off. Now the second sound is this. This sound here, I'm just giving the sound and you can listen, right? So this is the second sound. It can create noise really. Okay, and the third one is clapping. So I'm just clapping. Okay, so this sound I think you can able to hear somewhat, right? Okay, so all these three sounds you hear. Now I will load the Noisetorch and let's see that how much it has suppressed the noise. So now I have activated the Noisetorch with the 74% intensity. Okay, and now let's check that how it is effective. So first of all, I'm just doing with the trimmer. Okay, so just turn it on. Okay, now it is turned on and you can you able to hear that sound? It is reduced or not? Okay, well, now turn it off. And the second sound is this. Okay, so I'm just making now. So Noisetorch is active. So the sound is reduced or not? You just tell me in the comments. And the third sound with the clapping. So I'm just clapping. Can you able to hear? Okay, just reply me. Okay. So three sounds you can able to hear right now, and all with the Noisetorch active with 74% capacity. Now, if your voice is cut down somewhat, so you can actually minimize the intensity to actually 65%. I think it is okay, or 70%. Okay, and if it is good, your noise is okay, your vocals are okay, so no problem with that. And if you want to reduce noise further, so you can just give a higher intensity, 80% intensity, okay, to the Noisetorch. Now how you can uninstall Noisetorch? So basically the instructions are given, so you need to execute 3 commands. So first command, just copy and open up the terminal and paste. Hit enter. This is the first command. This is the second one. And copy. So it is basically removing all the stubs. Second command, and this is the third one. Copy and paste, enter. So 3 commands I have executed. So Noisetorch must be removed from my system. So let's check. I can search. Okay, and you can see Noisetorch is removed from our machine. So if this video is helpful for you, so just write in the comments and share it to your friends, because this is totally 100% free software. No softwares are available like this in Windows operating system. So exclusively it is for the Linux operating systems. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.